Hey guys, Tashtila everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is one of my favorite breakfast recipe which is I always upload in Instagram story. And yeah, some more people they request me make this recipe. It's so simple actually, and it's also very healthy guys. So let's get started how to make, and hopefully you guys also enjoy this recipe. Now I'm gonna add 3 cups of oats, 2 tablespoons chia seed. Mix this first. So here I take 200 gram yogurt. Now we're gonna add milk. And 1 tablespoon peanut butter. You can go honey also. And now it's all you have to mix nicely. Mix it well. See, this is like this consistent of like this. Not so liquid, not so thick. Just cover and just leave it for overnight. Okay, next is half cup samba. This is roasted barley, and this is the oats. 1 tablespoon chia seed, and we're going to mix this 3 first. And we're going to add milk. Just add half teaspoon of honey for the taste. So if you don't like honey, you can skip, by the way. You can add peanut butter also. Okay, so this step is not necessary, but if you want to do, you can just follow how I did. I'm just put some mixing, and top on this I'm gonna just place this the banana. Okay guys, now we already mix it. Now cover, and the best part is if you do in night time, so you can keep in overnight, so you can do in morning time also. In morning time you can just leave it in 2 to 3 hours. You have to keep in minimum after mixing like this, then you can enjoy. Now I already prepared both of. Now I'm gonna put in fridge. Now you can see the milk is already absorbed, so you have to add a little bit more water, or you can add milk. If you don't have milk, then you can go with water also. Okay guys, now it's ready to enjoy. Okay guys, so now it's ready to enjoy. So top on this you can just garnish with mixed fruits or nuts. So if you like, you can just top on, you can put this, but if you don't like, then you can just skip. You can eat simple also as well. Okay guys, so that's it for today's recipe. So if you like today's recipe is helpful to you, please share with your friends and family, and all time enjoy my recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next recipe. Bye bye. Until take care everyone.